Hello navigators, welcome back. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about drift-flux-foam. It is a new kind of solver which is a different approach to solve multiphase flow. So far we have only discussed about mixture. We have briefly discussed about Euler-Euler foam, and in this particular lecture we'll talk about these different approaches along with drift flux in detail. Let's get started.
Thanks for watching, and if you like the content of our channel, then please like, comment, share and subscribe.